To loop over the dictionary, we first need to convert the dictionary to list because the for loop works with lists and not dictionaries. We can convert the dictionary to list with 3 different functions depending on what you need from the dictionary. If you just need the keys, you can use the keys function. The function returns all of the keys in the list. And you can use the list in the for loop. You can just skip the variable and use the function call in the for loop. If you need the values, there's a values function. If you need both the keys and the values, you can use items function. It returns a list with each pair in a separate list. You can unpack them both, key and the value, to a variable and can be used inside the loop, just like we covered in the list video.